Hello everyone. So our today's topic is fluid and electrolyte disturbances, and we have to do the post-operative day 2 to 5. And I am Dr. Chhavi Sharma, and here is my patient Suman Sharma.
Start.
So our case is appendectomy, and now we have to take the vital signs of the patient. For the vital signs, we have to ask the subjective information from the patient. So, do you feel diarrhea?
No.
Do you feel vomiting?
No.
Are you the patient of diabetes mellitus?
No.
Do you feel the abdominal pain? On the points from 1 to 10, how much points will you give to the abdominal pain?
4 point.
Okay. So now we take the vital signs, and from the first, we will take the pulse and respiratory rate. For the pulse, okay, so we have take the pulse and the respiratory rate. Now we will take the temperature of the patient. Now we will check the temperature of the patient. Keep it in your mouth, under the tongue. After some time, check the temperature. Okay, the temperature is normal, 37. So now we will check the blood pressure of the patient. After some time, check the blood pressure. It's okay, it is normal, 120 by 80.
Kartika.
Now we will check the consciousness of the patient. Since it is the second day after the operation, our patient is responding actively, so it means she is in a good state of mind. So now we will check the site of the surgery. As we can see, there is no hemorrhage and no drainage. So now we will check the turgor of the skin. For that we have to pinch the skin and see. As we can see, there is no dehydration and the skin is normal. So now we will talk about the diet. As this is the second day after the operation, now you can eat by mouth, but only clear liquids.
Okay.
On the second day, color of the urine is light yellow and the concentration is normal and there is no blood in the urine. So now we will check the abdominal pain. Do you feel the pain?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have flatulence? I mean accumulation of gases? Is there?
Yes.
Okay. And do you have distension?
No.
Okay. So today is the third day, and third day is the same as the second day. We will check the vital signs, and as this is the third day, you can eat soft food. So do you still feel the pain? Is the pain reduced?
Yes.
Okay.
So the patient's name is Suman Sharma. The age is 35. The patient had an appendectomy. This is the post-operative day 2. The patient is already in the patient's ward. We checked the vital signs at 7 a.m., 12 p.m., 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. in the night. There is no vomiting, diarrhea or bleeding observed. The abdominal pain is 4 points. The vital signs are the pulse is normal, 90. The respiratory rate is 18, normal. There is no mechanical ventilation needed. The blood pressure is 120 by 80, normal. The consciousness is 14 to 15 points. The temperature is normal, 37 degrees Celsius. The skin and the mucosa are moist. The skin turgor is normal. There is intravenous access needed. At the site of hemorrhage, there is no hemorrhage observed. There is no infection, no vomiting or any drain losses. There is no need of an NG tube. There is a wound drain. The color of the urine is transparent to yellow. The concentration is normal. There are no stones or blood present. There's no catheter inserted. Since this is the second day, the patient can have clear fluids. In conclusion, there were no complications. We re-examined the patient every 4 to 5 hours and changed the dressing once in a day. Mobility is permitted a little bit, but the daily living activities can't be performed by the patient. The total intake by mouth is 2000 ml and by IV is 1500 ml. The total output is total urinary output is 1500 ml. There is no vomiting, and the drain output is 40 ml. The abdominal pain is to 4 points. There was no distension, and flatulence was observed due to lack of mobility and the anesthesia. There was peristalsis but no stool. In conclusion, the patient is recovering. Now for the fluid administration, we administer 5% dextrose at 8 a.m. in the 500 ml pint at 8 a.m. in the morning, and at 2 p.m. we give one more pint of 500 ml, total 1000 ml, and one lactose drink goes at 9 p.m. in the evening. Total fluid administration via intravenously is 1500 ml. So this is the post-operative day 3 for the same case of appendectomy. The patient's name is Suman Sharma. We discharged the patient on the third day because there were no complications and no surgical site infection or anything. So there was no on the third day there was no vomiting, diarrhea or bleeding observed. The abdominal pain has reduced from 4 points to 2 points. The vital signs are normal. The pulse is 90, respiratory rate is 18. There was no mechanical ventilation needed. The blood pressure is 120 by 80. The consciousness is 15 points. The temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. The consciousness is 15 points. The temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. The skin and the mucosa is moist. The skin turgor is normal. In the morning, the IV access is needed, but since we are discharging the patient in the evening, it's not needed anymore. After that, there's no hemorrhage, no vomiting, no drain losses, no wound drains. Urine observations, the color was transparent, the concentration is normal, no stones, no blood, no catheter needed. Since it's the third day, the patient can now eat soft foods. In conclusion, there's no complications. We re-examine every 4 to 5 hours. Dressing is changed once a day. Now the patient has mobility, still cannot perform complete activities of daily living. The intake via mouth is 2000 ml, via IV is 400 ml. The output is urinary output is 1000. No vomiting and no drainage. The abdominal pain is 2 points. There's no distension, no flatulence. There is peristalsis and there is a stool one time in the day, and the patient is ready to be discharged. We administer 400 ml pint of normal saline at 7 a.m. in the morning, and that's about it. Thank you.